David, great new facility here for Hurco. How impressive is this place?
I'm glad you like it. Yeah, we put a lot of work into trying to make the demonstration area in particular as nice as possible. And it's separate from the rest of the business, so it means people can come here, train, have demonstrations, do applications, trials, things like that, in a really good environment.
Now, twice the size of your previous facility, which is just only half a mile down the road, isn't it?
Yeah, that's correct, yes. Yeah, it was 13,000 square feet before, we're 26,000 here. And the main increase, although the demo area looks bigger, is the operation. We've got a lot more space for machine storage and preparation.
Well, I was going to say, this is only half the picture, isn't it? A much bigger showroom, but all of that, infrastructure behind you to store and support machines. Not only that, training as well. Really nice to have this kind of facility just behind the showroom. They can train and walk into the showroom.
Yeah, that's the idea. They can see the machines that they're training for. We have 2 rooms that we can split and expand. The idea was that we could have meetings in here, and also we have a lot of tooling suppliers, people like that come and do sort of application stays, and it works as quite a nice little lecture theatre as well.
This is as a result of the growth of your business, isn't it, in recent years? We spoke about it on a previous video, but you wouldn't be here today if you hadn't had such a phenomenal decade, really, here at Hurco.
Yeah, we were in the old building 16 years, and the average growth was 10% per year. We moved from, I think, 65 machines in the first year to well over 300 in the final year.
But I'd like to declare the official inaugural opening of the High Wycombe UK office today.
Greg, welcome to the UK. What a fantastic place this for Hurco. When was the last time you were here?
Thank you. I was here 2 years ago, obviously in our former facility, and I'm very proud to sort of open the inaugural event here at Hurco Europe.
Have you been impressed with how business has grown here in the UK for Hurco? Because when we travel around, it's incredible to see the amount of machines that they're actually selling. Is it for you a big market and a big growth market?
It is. David obviously has done a very nice job in establishing the brand and the brand's reputation. And today, we're enjoying around a 25% market share, and we envision that he'll be able to continue that, and we will continue to provide him with products and innovation, both in the machine technology and in our control, that he'll be able to continue to grow and maintain the market that he has today.
And what would you put a lot of that growth down to here? Would you apportion it to just David and his team, or down to the innovation of not just your hardware but your software too?
Well, I would have to say that David and his team, because we're a different machine tool provider, obviously we develop our own control, we develop our own software, and we create a value proposition that may be a little different than others. And as part of that understanding, you have to be able to create a very good relationship with your customers in terms of service and support, training. And I think David and David's team, Steve, and those that are able to do that, they've won the loyalty and the support of the customers. And so they have a very high return rate in terms of, I met many people here today that have more than one machine. As a matter of fact, one customer had 22 or 23 machines. So that just goes to their ability to be able to nurture, support, and keep the customers happy.